Here we are back at Weybridge. Big bough snapped out of this black poplar. It's come from right up the top there somewhere. But we've got a dangly branch just here which we've got to deal with first before we get underneath it and start chopping all this bit up. But damage wise, diddly squat. The only bit of damage we can find, apart from marks onto the tarmac, is this little plant here. It's got a little bit of damage on that, but all the rest, it all landed in the car park. Yeah, that's the branch we got to get off first. This place is where we did 80 odd lowland trees. They're all down this fence, all the way down to the river. And we did some riverside trees as well. But yeah, good customer this bloke.